if you want to know something new from the history every day with your Android historical calendar, so here's how to add historical events widget on your Android home screen, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip. Alright, so first of all, we will need to download some specific application. Open up your Play Store and make sure to download your historical calendar. Great. If you installed it, let's go to the next step. As the next step, we are to locate any empty space on our home screen, right? As you see, I have a plenty one. If you don't, simply add up a page. Now, you are to hold your finger and press widgets. After that, scroll down right to your Android widgets. Tap on it, and now we are to find our historic calendar widget. There it is. Let's hold on it, and now we can add it to our home screen. Release your finger, so you can press done for now. As you see, it's adjustable, so we can scroll through it. We can see everything that happens on this day. We can hold our finger it, press adjust size, and adjust the size of it. Maybe you want it smaller or bigger. And basically, that's it. Now you have your whole historical events on your main page. However, if you want to read more, simply tap on it. Here's your application. You can see some pictures and you can see more and more events. And basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.